In this video we'll test out our search contact method. So let's try to, we added one contact here. Let's add one more contact. In that we have Rahul, we can like Kumar, and the phone number will be, this is the phone number for this user. And now we will try to search a result. So for that, just write print contact book book dot search contact. There we have two things. First one is query. So if we write here only like array, and if you want to run this thing, then here it is running. It is taking some time. Okay, added successfully. It is we got list object cannot be interpreted as integer. Okay, we did one mistake here. We cannot use this range thing. So like here we can't do this thing. Here we have to use length of that particular. So here we have to use this length function. Now just run this code again. Okay, so there is no error, but it is not working perfectly, fine. Why it is not working? Because as we can see that our query is not equal to none, and whenever we did this thing search contact, so here our query, that is the value of that query is array. So that will come here in search array. We append all the details, then we have result. Here we are doing one thing. We are splitting our query. Then for I in range of len of search array. So we are iterating through our all the array, and in that we are finding out if word in search array of I of -1, if there is, we find this word, then we will add this thing in our result, and then we will do all the operations. So first of all, we will do one thing. We will print our search array. Search array. Now run this code. As we can see that in search array our last element is it is working perfectly fine. So our search array is good, but then we will move forward to the results. Here we will print our result. So print, okay, we did one big mistake here. We have to convert this thing in lowercase so that we can compare it. So query dot lower, and then we can do all the things. So now run it. As we can see that we are getting two results as output in our print statement. And if we write only, let's assume if we write only here Kumar, not array, if we write here Kumar, Kumar, and if we run this code again, then as you can see that we got only the second result as output. So now our code is working perfectly fine. There is no error. In the next video we will work with this view contact method.